Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in today. Today we have a 1981 Toyota SR5 short bed regular cab pickup truck. This one had a total restoration by its current owner. I purchased the truck back in 2014. He rebuilt the engine, the suspension, all new suspension, new front and rear brakes, new gas tank, new radiator, new air conditioning, new interior, recent paint, new graphics, new alternator, new ignition coil, new plugs, wires, basically a new tune-up, new motor mounts. It has only 87,215 original miles. And this one sold at my classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in November of 22 for 25,500 plus a 6% buyer's fee. And it was a real nice truck. Looking at it in person, it might not show up in the pictures or on the video, but the guy did a great job on it, and it was really a nice truck. And for being a 1981, you're 42 years old. uh, it's tough to find a 42-year-old vehicle that still looks like new and probably drives like new too, with only 80,000 miles on it, being a Toyota. I included the auctioneer's commentary during the walk around on this video, so you might get a kick out of it.
600, 600, down to the top of the big sack. 25, 2,600. Sir, can you use that for 2,600 bucks? Somebody ask him. I guess I'll ask him. 2,500. Sir, would you give 2,600? Down to the top of the big here, 26 here, top of the big here, down to the 2,600, 600, 600, 600, down to the... Nobody wants it for 26. Now I'm going to pull somebody out of the crowd here in a minute.
Man, that's a 30 car too.
It's got the beer can ejection porthole ready to go, leather. $2,600. The miles, no idea, but they go with it, and at that price, does it really matter? I mean, for real.
I'm not sure.
Well, thanks for watching today. We appreciate it. Give the video a like if you liked it. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed. Share the video with a friend. Leave a comment or suggestion. Be nice. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.